Today I've pulled out some gorgeous cotton jersey fabrics from my stash. Look at these beauts. And I've matched them up with 5 tried and true and tested t-shirt patterns from my pattern stash. I don't know about you, but it's always great to have a variety of t-shirts that are wardrobe staples, but I like to elevate them as well and make them a little bit different. So bog standard boring t-shirts are not on my radar at all, and I've pulled together 5 of my favourite tried and true t-shirt patterns to share with you today. And I've also pulled some jersey fabrics out of my stash that I want to make them in as well. So let's get started with t-shirt number 1. This first t-shirt has been in my stash for the longest time, and it's the Audrey top or t-shirt from Sew Over It Patterns. I only ever made this one, don't know why. I love it and I definitely want to make another one. So what are the deets on the Audrey? It comes in UK sizes 6 up to a 30, so good size range, and it's a vintage inspired knit top. It's got a wide boat neck on it, a deep neckband detail, and then you have 3 options. You can have it just with the band, so it would look like that. You can have it with the tie front, which is the one that I've got, or you can go big and bold and have it with a bow. So you can also have a 3/4 full length or short sleeves in it. It's got raglan sleeves, which makes it easy to sew for an advanced beginner, I think. And you can make it in any mid-weight knit fabric. The short sleeve version you can easily get out of 1 metre of fabric up to 1.5 metres, and at least 1.5 metres if you want to make the long sleeve version. So this is one that I made. I made it a long time ago. It's in a Stuff of Denmark cotton jersey. Absolutely love it. Wear it loads, and I definitely want to make another one. So what fabric am I going to make my new Audrey in? Well, I'm going to make it in this. This fabric has been in my stash for ages, and it's been a dress, it's been a top, it's been a dress again, now it's a top again, and it's going to be the Audrey top. I think that a darker background going into late summer will look really good, and I might even do 3/4 sleeves on it just to eke it out into the autumn months as well. So yeah, loving this. I got this fabric from, I think I got it from Stitch Festival, at least 18 months ago now, if not longer, when we went down there. And let me have a look what brand it is. It's actually a Sewing Sanctuary fabric, and if I can find it on the net I will pop the link for this fabric below, because I'm sure you can still get hold of it. Jersey top option number 2. You won't be surprised to know that I've chosen my Rowy top from Style Arc Patterns. Absolutely love this top, wear it loads, and yes, you got it, I want to make another one. So what are the deets on the Rowy? It comes in sizes 4 up to 36. It's from Style Arc, so good size range. It has a funnel neck, shaped bodice, with or without sleeves, this one. It can be a top or a dress. I've made both versions and absolutely love them both. It's got shoulder tuck details on it, and then it has side seam gathers which are very tummy friendly indeed. So to make this sleeveless version of the top, I can easily get this out of 1 metre of fabric, so not fabric hungry at all. And they recommend any light to mid-weight knit fabrics, and it depends what fabric you use, what this top looks like. This one is been done in a viscose jersey, so it's quite floaty. I've made a dress in ponte, which I love. I've made a lounge suit in ponte, love that as well. So I want to try one in a cotton jersey. This is the cotton jersey that I've decided to use. I got this, again, ages ago from the Fabric Obsession. I keep swapping and changing what it's going to be made in, but I think it is going to be the Rowy for layering up in the autumn months and wearing sleeveless while it's still warm. And although it's a cotton jersey, this one is quite lightweight, so I think it will lend itself well to the Rowy, because I do, as a top, prefer it more drapey. You get the effect of the pleats and the gathers at the side a little bit more. So that's the fabric for the Rowy. T-shirt or top number 3 is another sew over it top. So yes, there's 2 sew over it t-shirts I love, and this one is the Carly polo style t-shirt, and it's also a dress pattern. So it comes in UK sizes 6 up to 30 again, so quite size inclusive. It's a polo style knit top or dress, and it's got a traditional collar and a collar stand with this, even though it's a knit top. It can have a button-up placket or an open vent casual style placket like I've got on this one. You can have long or short sleeves, and it's got a semi-fitted bodice which skims over those lumps and bumps very nicely indeed. So what fabric am I going to make mine in? Because you can use any mid-weight knit fabric for this top. I've chosen this fabric. I've not had it very long. I got it from the Remnant House, so we'll pop the link below if they've still got this in stock. It is a stuff of Denmark. It's a tiny hexagon pattern with all different colours of green in, and I think it will slot really nicely into my autumn wardrobe, because yes, I'm going to do it long sleeved. Even though this is a t-shirt vlog, you can do long or short sleeved ones, in my opinion. So this is going to be the long sleeved version of the Carly top from Sew Over It. Top number 4, you won't be surprised to see the Envy top again from Coralie Bichon. I made this as part of my July sewing every day vlogs, and it went up a few days back, so I'll pop the link to that one as well, and then you can see what I got on actually making this top. I love it. I don't know what to say other than I absolutely love this top. It's a t-shirt or a dress. It can have plain, or I've got the little puffed sleeves on it. You can have a band there or a tie. I've made the dress with the band, and I made this t-shirt top with the tie, and it's got an amazing A-line bodice that hides all those lumps and bumps around your middle without obviously being like wearing a sack, so it wins for me on that one. So what am I going to make my next Envy top in? This is the fabric I want to use. Gorgeous, what do we call it, electric blues and pinks on a dark background. And I want to make a 3/4 or long sleeve version of the Envy in this fabric. Again, it was from Fabric Obsession, but they haven't got any left. It sold out fairly quickly, and I think it's going to look great as the Envy top. Last but not least is the Juno top from Anna Rose Patterns. Now, I made this yonks ago when I was doing my French pattern company journey, and I will pop the link to the details of that vlog below if you want to go and give it a watch. But I absolutely love this. It's got loads of options. You can just have stripes, you can have it plain, you can have this mock cable panel in, which is the one that I really like, and I put matching cuffs on this as well. I want to make this again, but let's talk about the deets first. It comes in sizes 34 to 52, so fairly size inclusive. It has a drop shoulder, so it doesn't sit right on your shoulder, which is fine. A high round neck, various band options, including the gathered cable effect that I love. It can have long or short sleeves, and you can have the waist loose like this one and cropped, or you can put a band on and cinch it in, which is probably what I want to do with my next one. So let's have a look what fabric I've chosen for the Juno top. This is the fabric I want to use. It's a plain soft cream organic cotton jersey that I got from Boys in Skipton when we were on our way back from Ripon. Try to remember where we'd been then. We're on our way back from Ripon at the end of May, beginning of June. And I think it is going to be very, very wardrobe staple-ish, if that's a word, in cream. I want to do it exactly the same as this one with the cable effect on it. And I want to have the cinched in waistband as well. I'm kind of thinking, because it's all cream as well, to maybe look at embroidering something down this side as well. I've not decided yet. That might be just a little bit too much. I might just put some more of the pleats at this side. Try and keep it cream and minimal. But there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed my t-shirt or jersey top journey. They are all tried and true patterns that I've made, and you've seen them all on me, so I hope that's given you some inspiration to try some of these tops yourself. If you're new to jerseys, I would say the one out of these 5 that would be an easy first jersey pattern would definitely be the Rowy, and then after that, just go for it and try them out. Jersey isn't as hard to sew with as you'd think. So I'm going to love you and leave you, and I will see you all tomorrow for more sewing shenanigans. Bye.